Alright, let's break this down properly. Risotto is a creamy, Italian rice dish where the starches in the rice are slowly released by cooking it in broth, giving it a rich, velvety texture without adding cream. The key is patience and constant stirring. Here's a detailed guide on what it is and how to make a perfect risotto. What is risotto? Made with short grain rice like arborio, carnaroli, or violonano. These are high-starch varieties that create creaminess. Cooked slowly in broth, not water. Typically includes onion, butter, wine, and parmesan. Can have different flavors: mushroom, seafood, saffron, or vegetables. The finished texture should be creamy, but the rice grains still slightly firm, al dente. How to make perfect risotto. Ingredients for 2-3 servings: 1 cup arborio rice, 4 cups chicken or vegetable broth, keep warm, 1 small onion or shallot, finely chopped, 2 tablespoons olive oil or butter, 1/2 cup white wine, optional, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper to taste, optional, mushrooms, peas, saffron, seafood, or herbs. Step-by-step instructions. Prep the broth. Heat the broth in a separate pan and keep it warm on low heat. This helps the rice cook evenly. Sauté aromatics in a wide pan. Heat olive oil or butter. Add chopped onion or shallots and sauté until soft and translucent, 2-3 minutes. Toast the rice. Add the rice to the pan and stir for 1-2 minutes until the edges look translucent. This helps the rice absorb flavors and keeps grains separate. Deglaze with wine, optional. Pour in white wine and stir until it's mostly absorbed. Add broth gradually. Add a ladle of warm broth to the rice and stir constantly. Once absorbed, add the next ladle. Repeat for 18-20 minutes until rice is creamy and al dente. Finish with butter and cheese. Turn off the heat. Stir in the knob of butter and parmesan. Adjust salt and pepper. For extra richness, you can add a splash of cream or a little more cheese. Serve immediately. Risotto waits for no one. It's best served hot and creamy. Tips for perfect risotto. Constant stirring is key. It releases the starch to make it creamy. Keep broth warm. Cold broth slows cooking. Don't overcook. The rice should be al dente. Customize with mushrooms, saffron, peas, or shrimp for different flavors.